So good afternoon to all. Hope you all are doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about JP Power Ventures Limited. So we'll see what are the latest updates on this stock. So we have seen an update on JP Power that the FCBs which were present, that is the bonds, will be converted to shares at 12 rupees. So on that note, today we have seen some heavy, we can say large bulk deals have happened. So I'll explain all the bulk deals. I'll take you to the bulk deals section. So we'll see total in amount how much bulk deals have taken place, and also we'll do the volume analysis, and also we'll see today's scenario how much buying and selling action currently is present. So currently almost 90% buying is there and 20% selling is there, and I'm seeing a heavy accumulation. So clearly I'm telling that accumulation is happening. So transactions are happening, the sellers, the selling, whatever is happening, so small selling is happening, but buying, if you see heavy quantities buying is happening. So that's why the stock has remained stagnant at almost 3.25% positive movement. At any time also it may hit the upper circuit. So everything we'll discuss. So watch the video till end, and if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instantly notified. So if you see the current market depth of JP Power, so currently you can see, as discussed, 22% selling is present, and we can see the volume. So clearly if you see the volume, you'll understand how much heavy bids are being taken place. If you see buying, that is what I was telling. So buying has been taking place, so little bit of accumulation is there. So that's why currently 3.25 the stock price has remained stagnant. So at any point of time it will move. So people have added at low level. So definitely we'll discuss what is the strategy, and also we'll discuss about the update which has been released. Okay, so if you see the official update declared by many news channels as well. So if you see the update, you can see FCCBs are being converted into shares at a conversion price of 12 rupees per share. So you can see current market price, and also if you see the price at which this foreign currency bonds will be converted, so you can see very huge difference is present. So on note of that only, today we have seen some heavy bulk deals. So let me take you to the bulk deals section so that you'll understand how much crores of bulk deals have happened today after many we can say months and years. This much amount of large bulk deals have happened. Okay, so we are on to the bulk deals section. So clearly you can see intraday large deals for J Prakash Power Ventures. So if you see dates, so you can see 28/12/2012. So this is the current date, 28th December 2020. So clearly you can see so many transactions on a single day. We're seeing earlier it happened on 24th also, but many people were not aware. It was not even updated in the bulk deals. So I make sure that I've reached the money control site from where we have got this data. So currently 28th, you can see the price where this transaction happened. See 3.25, 3.25, 3.0. So that is what is selling. Accumulation was happening. So that's why the stock also has stopped near 3.25 with either slight movements. Either it's going to 3.15 or again it's going to 3.25, 3.20. So that is why it was very suspicious that why it has remained despite at the same level with 20% selling. So this is the reason. So you can see bulk deals and also the update which has come. So if you see the amount also, you can see almost 0.09 crores, 0.11 crore, 0.15, 0.16. So everything crores of transaction happened. Okay, not crores, lakhs we can tell. So if you sum all, so definitely it will be in crores only. So at any point of time it will again hit the upper circuit. Okay, so this is the main updates regarding JP Power. So why it has been remained in that particular region. So that is one thing. So now we'll do the volume analysis, and then we'll go to the technical charts to find out the next possible levels. Okay, so if you see the volume analysis of JP Power, so clearly you can see on 24th December, we have seen almost the traded quantity little has reduced as compared to the previous sessions. So this is what I tell volume analysis. I discuss in each and every video, and you need to employ this in your trading charts as well. So it will be very beneficial. So also join the Telegram group. Okay, whenever any instant updates are there, I'm updating in that as well. And also press the bell icon so that any instant notification will not be missed. So next, when you see deliverable quantities, so what can you see? So we can see deliverable quantities slightly it was moderate to flat. Either we have not seen heavy that is deliverable quantities, neither less deliverable quantities. So completely in between deliverable quantities were present. So that is also a very good indication. Okay, so company wise we know it's a penny stock, it's well known to us, so that's why I suggested always to invest in small portion in any penny stock, because risk may be present and also reward will be there, but small risks are better rather than taking heavy risk and investing huge amounts. Depends upon you, your risk appetite. I am suggesting invest 2000 to 2500 max, up to yours opinion whether you want to invest in heavy quantities or not. So this is the volume analysis. So now we'll see what the indicators are suggesting. Okay, if we see indicators also, clearly you can see indicators have not given any major confirmation, but we are seeing it is in the mid range. So whenever any indicator suggests mid range, especially money flow index as well as RSI, it indicates that either strong move will be present on both the sides. So strength is also present on the stock. So either it has shown correction. We know JP Associates as well as JP Power, if we see almost a few weeks back, they have given continuous movement, but later little bit correction has come, so that is obvious. So if we see even the shareholding pattern also, we see major we can say public is also having a good holding. So promoter is having only 29 to 30% holding, but rest of all, if we see, public are mainly invested in this particular stock at low levels, at let's say 1 rupee, 2 rupees. So many requests have come regarding JP Power at 2 rupees, 3 rupees. So what can be done? So that is what I told, hold it but not do any extra averaging or selling. So when you're investing in penny stock, you should decide one thing, that I have taken the risk and the amount that I invested for penny stock is gone. Okay, so don't again think of that. If you leave it for long term, so then only you can generate wealth. If you keep on exiting, that the stock will fall, so then you'll enter into losses. So that is one thing you need to remember. So now we'll go to technical charts to find out the next possible levels. Okay, so we're back onto the technical chart. So first we'll see the 1 week chart. So 1 week chart also, if we see almost when it touched the 4.25 rupees level, from there it has seen little bit of resistance. Again it has started falling down, and clearly you can see it has formed the support near, that is 2.953 rupees level. So from where again this particular news has boosted that. So we need to see how this plan will be executed to 12 rupees. Either it will continuously hit the upper circuit, or any particular resolution plan will be provided by JP Power. So you need to discuss that as well. So if any instant update comes, I'll post in the Telegram, or I'll make a separate video. And people who are holding at low levels, for them you can hold as usual. So currently if you want to buy, definitely you can buy this at 3.25. It's currently fluctuating as well in small quantities only, so don't put any bulk amounts. So next, if we see money flow index as discussed, so little bit of overbought region it is present in weekly charts. In daily charts it is in the mid range. Okay, so this is the basic levels of JP Power. So currently it is near 3.25, which is also a very good support. So in 1 day chart also you can see the same thing. Currently you can know from where it has started falling, 4.25 it has gone, again it has come down, it has taken the support. So quick entry will be possible at 3.25. invest in small portions. Okay, don't have any excess greed to invest in high quantities. It depends upon you, but I'm suggesting that invest in small portions. So that would be the best strategy. So further, if you have any doubts regarding JP Power or JP Associates, do mention in the comment section. We'll discuss about that. So until then, take care. Bye bye.